Life-threatening waves and currents are The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes and extremely damaging wind gusts were located along a line extending from St. Charles to North Aurora to near Oswego, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Bartlett, West Chicago, Warrenville, Wayne and DuPage Airport around 3:30 p.m. Naperville, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Lisle, Bloomingdale, and Winfield around 3:35 p.m. Wheaton, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Addison, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, Lockport, Roselle and Crest Hill around 3:40 p.m. Bolingbrook, Elmhurst, Lombard, Elk Grove Village, Homer Glen, Hinsdale, Lamont, Oak Brook, Westmont and Darien around 3:45 p.m. Franklin Park, Burr Ridge, Willowbrook, Hillside and Willow Springs around 3:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Medina, Preston Heights, Crystal Lawns, Oak Brook Terrace, York Center, Fairmont, Rockdale, and Berkeley. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, University of St. Francis, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, Morton Arboretum, Wheaton College, and North Central College. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 200. The following is a beach hazard. Life-threatening waves and Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Benton County in northwestern Indiana, Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hershey, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Chesterton, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Rensselaer, Lamont, Hebron, Fowler, and Kentland. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 3 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 200 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Valparaiso University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Lake County Fairgrounds, Porter County Fairgrounds, South Shore Railcats Baseball, and the 41 Dragway. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across northern Illinois. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 23 miles northwest of Long Beach, or 24 miles northwest of Michigan City, moving east at 75 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 80 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, and Mount Prospect. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 233 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 303 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 30. Indiana Interstate. The following is a beach